HubSpot versus GoHighLevel, which CRM is better? If you're trying to decide between HubSpot and GoHighLevel, you're probably looking for a platform that can help you generate leads, automate marketing, manage customer relationships, and grow your business. Both platforms are powerful, but they take very different approaches. In this video, we're going to compare HubSpot and GoHighLevel side by side, looking at pricing, features, automation, scalability, and overall value so you can decide which one is the better fit for your business. And if you'd like to explore either platform while watching this comparison, you'll find links to both HubSpot and GoHighLevel in the video description below. Let's get started. What is HubSpot? HubSpot is one of the most recognized CRM platforms in the world. It offers tools for sales, marketing, customer service, content management, reporting, and customer relationship management. Many businesses start with HubSpot because it offers a free CRM and has a strong reputation in the industry. As companies grow, they can add Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, and other advanced tools to expand their capabilities. For larger organizations, HubSpot can be an excellent solution with robust reporting and enterprise-level features. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel was built with marketers, agencies, consultants, coaches, and growing businesses in mind. Instead of using multiple tools for funnels, email marketing, SMS marketing, appointment scheduling, CRM management, and automation, GoHighLevel combines everything into a single platform. The goal is simple: one platform, one login, one dashboard, one monthly subscription. This all-in-one approach has made GoHighLevel increasingly popular among agencies and entrepreneurs looking to simplify their operations. Pricing comparison. One of the biggest differences between these platforms is pricing. While HubSpot offers a free CRM, many of its advanced marketing and automation features require paid plans. As businesses grow, costs can increase depending on the number of contacts, users, and features needed. Some businesses find themselves paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month as they scale. GoHighLevel takes a different approach. Plans start at approximately $97 per month and include a wide range of marketing and sales tools under one subscription. One of the key advantages is predictable pricing. Your business can grow without constantly worrying about additional charges for contacts or users. All in one, platform vs. multiple tools. Let's imagine you're running a business today. You need a CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, landing pages, sales funnels, appointment scheduling, automation, lead tracking, reporting. The challenge is that many businesses end up using multiple software platforms to accomplish all of this. That means multiple subscriptions, multiple logins, and multiple systems to manage. GoHighLevel was designed to bring these tools together in one place. You can build funnels, send emails, launch SMS campaigns, schedule appointments, automate follow-ups, and manage leads from a single dashboard. For many businesses, that simplicity can save both time and money. Automation comparison. Automation is where software can make a huge difference. Imagine someone visits your website and fills out a contact form. Without automation, someone on your team needs to manually follow up. That can lead to delays and missed opportunities. With GoHighLevel, the process can happen automatically. The lead enters the CRM, a welcome email is sent, a text message is delivered, the sales team is notified, an appointment link is provided, and additional follow-up messages can be scheduled automatically. This helps businesses respond faster and stay connected with prospects. Agency features. If you're a marketing agency, this is where GoHighLevel becomes especially interesting. The platform allows you to create separate client accounts, manage multiple businesses, and even offer the software under your own brand through white label functionality. You can create recurring revenue streams by providing software and marketing services together. For agencies looking to scale, this can be a significant advantage. HubSpot offers powerful tools, but it wasn't specifically built around the agency white label business model. GoHighLevel was. Scalability. Every business wants to grow. The question is whether your software grows with you. As businesses expand, they often need more contacts, more automation, more users, and more client accounts. HubSpot offers enterprise-level scalability, but can become increasingly expensive depending on the features and usage required. GoHighLevel focuses on providing a predictable environment where businesses can continue scaling without constantly worrying about rising software costs. Who should choose HubSpot? HubSpot may be the better choice if you run a large organization, you require advanced enterprise reporting, you have dedicated sales and marketing departments, you need extensive integrations and corporate-level infrastructure. For larger teams and enterprise environments, HubSpot remains one of the most respected platforms available. WHO should choose GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel may be the better choice if you own a marketing agency, you're a consultant or coach, you run a local business, You want funnels, CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, automation, and appointment scheduling in one platform. You want predictable pricing, or you want the ability to white label software and create additional recurring revenue streams. Final verdict. At the end of the day, both HubSpot and GoHighLevel are excellent platforms. HubSpot continues to be one of the most recognized CRM solutions available and is a strong option for larger organizations with complex needs. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one platform that combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, SMS marketing, appointment scheduling, and agency-focused features, GoHighLevel offers tremendous value. The right choice ultimately depends on your business goals, budget, and growth plans. If you'd like to learn more about either platform, remember that I've included links to both HubSpot and GoHighLevel in the video description below so you can compare them side by side and see which one fits your needs best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software comparisons, CRM reviews, and business growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.